Hi, today we're gonna remove an old halyard so we can replace it with a new one. Here's the old halyard. It's looking worn. It's got sun damage. It's frayed here. It's about 4 years old, maybe 5. So to do this, get this mousing line here. And you just sew it to the old halyard line like so. You don't want it to get stuck up there, so don't pull too hard. Let's see. Oh yeah, you want to make sure that your mousing line is twice the length of your mast before you start, of course. Okay, so that part's done. Then just cut this thread and repeat. Now I'm going to attach this mousing line to this brand new halyard. Other reasons you might want to do this is if you have to ship your mast. All right. That's all for now. See you next time.